Welcome back to the Wacky Cat movement. Okay, we're at the Hyatt Place in Albany, New York. Okay, we're in the hotel Albany. It's called Hyatt Place. So just give me a quick look around. You have somebody there. Then outside. We have another seating area in the back, so that's pretty nice. You turn this way, it's down a nice little hallway. They have a conference room. This is the Hyatt Place in Albany, New York. And then I came through here, which is going to be the restrooms, and then the first lobby that I had before. The view out the back is of a bridge. I believe that's the I-787. We came off that bridge. It's very pretty because if you have a view from the outside window, you can see that the bridge lights up. So I haven't been to my room yet. We will see what that looks like. Right now, the room number is 417, and we'll go check it out. So the way we walk around is the bathroom. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that art. And ladies' room. And then you go back out to the lobby through here. Some more art on the wall. I like it. I love these nice mauve colors. And the walls by the elevator are nice. And then over here in the lobby area, they have beautiful art. And then they provide a section for you that has lemon. I think it might be dill in there. I'm not sure. But lemon water. And then you can fill your bottled water on this side. I'm sorry, my finger was in here. This is the snack area. I mean, when it comes to the marketplace, they do have provisions. Candy, cookies, brownies, chips, mac and cheese, water, charcuterie snacks. At least they have a list. And then they have medicine. They give you medicine. That's interesting. Yeah, what else we got? Beverages. I like that they offer these services. Oh, this is what I drink right here. Ta-da. And then a nice open bar. Okay, making my way outside. They had a nice patio out here. Like, I still haven't checked into my room. But oh, this is nice. Again, we are out here because we just wanted to take a drive. I decided to take a week off. This is my so-called staycation, vacation drive because I'm heading to Niagara Falls, New York. And my first stop is Albany, New York. And it's very relaxing. It beats the heck out of rushing to go to work every day. So, it's good to take a break and all the stressors that I had in life. But yeah, this is a nice place to come out and unwind. I like the way the lights shine in the corners. And it follows down. So anybody walk out here, somebody maybe have mobility issues, can actually see where they're rolling to. So I like the way it's all thought out. So Albany, New York, it's the capital. And probably going to take a ride around and see what we can do. Feels nice out here. Okay, so they do have a seating section. They have Wi-Fi, internet access. And then they just have a little seating arrangements where you can sit down and get online if you need to. Check your email, surf the web, connect to your social media. It's all right here with beautiful art. All right, we're going to work our way over to the elevator and go back down. The way you get on here is you come from the ground floor and you take the elevator up, then check in at the lobby. So we're going to go back down to the car to get our luggage. Okay, this is the building, how it looks outside. It's a Hyatt Place. Okay. All right. This is the room 417. And I'm going to go in. As soon as you get in, that's the look. Hey, Mickey. Mickey's in the view. All right. So next to the door is the bathroom. Kind of like that type of standard layout. But let's see if I can find some lights. The light switch. There you are. So if I turn, you'll see what the bathroom looks like. They usually got the storage underneath. Looks like there's a blow dryer under there. All right, toilet and shower. I love the fact that the tub is no longer a thing in some hotels. And that's art. Okay, so when I come out, you have a mirror here. And you have a safe at the bottom with some more storage. And this is where they're keeping your glass and your ice bucket and your, let's see what we got. You have a, oh, it's a, let me see, a ceramic cup in here, porcelain. All right, so some English breakfast tea, and it looks like coffee kit. All right, up there is the second porcelain cup, single serve coffee maker. This is storage in here. Remind me of those cruise ship videos. All right, so you got an iron in here. You got a lot of room in this closet and some hangers. Looks like it's extra pillows up there. Again, down there is the safe and some storage down there. So I closed that. And then you have a little seating area. It's nice too. Let me feel this. Good fabric. You got your table. Looks like it swivels out. Well, it doesn't swivel. I believe it's just a regular table that you can pull out and put wherever you need. Little, let me see if this is storage. No, it's just a cute little table here. And a partition between the living room section and the bed. And then you have some nice art here and a really cute light fixture. All right, so let's go over here by the bed. The bed is nice and firm, thick. Feels nice. You have a clock next to that, and the clock has a USB port. Two of them. Wait, there's a C port? Interesting. USB port. Okay, so, and on the other side, so I'm looking for a plug, because if you have a CPAP, can you plug up? Right, so this is a plug over here. It's a US plug with the USB and C port with the lamp. So if you have a CPAP machine, it can be on this side, on the right side, and you got some storage under there, or wherever else you want to put down there. All right, so looking this way is the whole room. All right, and in here is the refrigerator. So that's where they put it, huh? It's usually over with the coffee section, but that's not the case here in this room. It's down here. And yep, you got the little compartments to put your drinks and stuff. I like that. All right, so you put that over here. Chair for writing, the desk. And a phone over here. And under that is two more outlets with USB and C ports. The channel information for the phone, for the TV. All right, and looks like you can hang some sweaters and stuff up here. So it's a nice layout. You got some outlets over here by the couch. So if you want to work on your laptop, you can do that, and then you can control everything, all the air, the temperature in the room here. Okay, so I'll just turn around from this direction, and that is your suite at the Hyatt Place, Albany, New York. Okay, the next morning, breakfast time. Let's eat. I just want to give you an idea of what the breakfast looks like here. All right, so it's like a buffet style. You go up and you serve yourself. Pardon, pardon. Came out of the breakfast nook, so we're just gonna walk in here. Some people are coming out in the bar section. I'm gonna do this is where the people sit at night when they're drinking at the bar, but I wasn't able to get this little nook down here. Interesting. Fireplace, cozy seats. Nasty day. Good.